Welcome to the Executive MBA program from IBS Hyderabad. The Executive MBA at IBS Hyderabad supports more of a career progression than a start. The distinctive methodologies, therefore, are designed to cater to the varying professional needs of individual managers. Unmatched learning experience from a top-rated business school. Accomplished faculty who inspire innovative ideas. Actionable learning through instant applications. Never-before networking opportunity with global peers and alumni. Hybrid model to lessen fatigues. Working and learning experience. Please contact us for details. We are happy to help. Thank you.